and this code will not be able to be detected by existing antivirus. So in that sense, AI is creating zero-day attacks. So in that sense, is a bad usage of AI or a high risk. Another example of AI being used for bad purpose is using the technology known as deep fakes. Many of you have heard about this. It's technology where it can imitate somebody saying something on audio or video. Now, if you're using audio to do passwords for banking systems, then you can impersonate somebody else's voice so you can get into their bank accounts. If you are on video, you can have that person say something they didn't ever say on YouTube or other social media channels. So it creates a big risk, especially if that person maybe is a president of a country or somebody highly influential. So this is on the high risk side. On the,
It's a
on
very
the
dangerous thing, actually. I have seen in
that is
one
correct.
actually movie about the deep fake.
Correct. So the second side is that AI can also be used to enhance security. So one example is AI can actually be used to detect these deep fakes. So the same technology that is being used to create can also be used to detect. AI can also be used as a technology to do education in awareness that customizes the awareness based on the user. AI can also be used to provide like a coach to say, shall I
Mhm.
be do that? Shall I not do that? Meaning, like, shall I click on this attachment on this email? AI can also be used, for example, in a command and control center, or what we call sometimes a security operations center. In a SOC or
Mhm.
security operations center, you have lots of messages coming from many sources, and it's very
Right.
difficult to correlate this information to see is it a bad request or a risky request and how to stop it. AI can process that information more accurately, and AI can
Mhm.
be used to create the proper incident response to that attack. So that
Mhm.
means AI enables us as a co-pilot to be much more agile in the response systems that we create in cybersecurity. So in that sense, I believe that AI is a plus. So AI becomes a co-pilot. AI becomes a robot that enhances the functions that today are
Mhm.
being performed by individuals who perform cybersecurity.
Right.
Yeah, go ahead, Amara. So,
Yeah. So, and the another side is that what challenges arise when implementing AI in security system. So,
so one
I
of
would
the
ask.
challenges
Mhm.
that applies when you're implementing AI is how you train the models. So, because the models that are used to train
Mhm.
um, need to be based on good density of data and good quality of data. So if the data that it was used to train these models is not of good quality or not enough diversity, then the AI system does not perform very well.
Mhm.
And if the AI was actually trained with sometimes what we call fake data, not fake data, but you can say AI generated data itself, then you have this concept in AI that's called hallucinations, which means one day AI system thinks that it's behaving correctly, but is actually behaving incorrectly because the information they're relaying to the users is actually incorrect because it's not based on any facts.
Mhm.
This is the big risk. So these are some of the challenges that are primarily associated with implementing AI in modern cybersecurity systems.
Okay. So you want to say that people who are not aware of it. So our first or initiative or our first step should be to aware them actually.
That is correct. Create awareness
Perfect.
by providing
Okay,
education.
George. Okay, perfect. Okay, George. So anything from your side, or should we
Well,
like conclude this session?
I can
Would you
create
like to say anything related to your
final
topic?
statement. Yeah, my final statement would be I think we're still in the baby steps of AI. AI is still young. A lot of the progress in AI is going to take place over the next 1, 2, 3 years. So we need to give a chance for AI to become even more mature and to provide even more enhanced solutions, because it will be able to deal with much more data dimensions and volumes of data that it does today. So I think that the future looks very promising, but we as individuals have the responsibility to manage that transition, to make sure that AI is a service to us, not a problem to us. So, Ammara, it's a pleasure to be here. So it was a great session to spend this quality time together, and I looking forward to also do future ones as well.
I think there is some connectivity problem. Let's see what's happening. Thank you, Kaniz. I'm trying to get back the George in the studio. I think he has some connectivity issues. Let's see. Okay, thank you so much, Kaniz, that you are hearing me. I'm trying to get him back actually, and there are some connectivity issue from his side. So I'm trying to get him back again. Thank you so much. We were about to conclude our conversation, and coincidentally, this connection error appears actually. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this live podcast, and welcome to Pro AI Think Tank podcast. And हमने ये series start कर दी है, and we will move forward with so many episodes, and we will take all the AI experts on board for these podcasts. So stay tuned and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.